You wake up, you open your notebook, you repeat the same English exercises every single day, but somehow you still feel stuck as if your English isn't growing anymore. In the previous videos, I said the lack of routine is one of the reasons why people don't reach fluency, why they don't improve. So, why don't you grow when you build yourself a routine? I'll be direct. It's because your routine has lost its soul. Most learners treat English like a checklist. Watch one video, learn 5 words, repeat a sentence, and done. But a routine without immersion or curiosity is like watering a plant with no roots. You can do it every single day if you like, but be assured that you are doing it in a void. You are doing something, but nothing grows. Your routine does not need to be perfect. What it needs is to be alive. Every time you study English, don't just ask, what do I do? Ask, what can I feel? What can I create? What can I learn about myself through this? Because English isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's a way of thinking, a way of seeing the world. So next time you study, don't just read, speak. Don't just watch, react. Don't just memorize. Use it. Use what you learn. That way, it's going to become active in your mind. Turn your routine into real experiences. Write your thoughts in English. Talk to someone. Record yourself or describe your day out loud. Learning happens when English becomes part of your daily life, not just your daily plan. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it with purpose. A good routine doesn't just make you better at English, it makes you better at being consistent, curious, and alive. So, make your English routine mean something today. This is it. I hope what I said was clear enough for your understanding. Thank you for watching. If this message was good to you, tell me in the comments your English practicing daily routine. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This journey continues. See you in day 30. Cheers.